How to save content from Amazon Prime Video. Welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you the procedure to save content from Amazon Prime Video. So basically, there is a download feature available for Amazon Prime Video app. So there's no such thing as save, but you could download the content for a certain period of time and you could watch it offline, or it's going to be available offline as well. Now what you want to do is in order to save content, or let's say download content, you just want to open up your Prime Video application onto your device, and here what you want to do is click on the profile initials at the bottom of the page. As you can see, you have a download section, right? So whenever you download a content or any sort of movie or video or clip, it's going to be stored in the download section. But first thing, you want to move on to the home page, locate the particular content that you wish to save or download. For example, I'm just going to go ahead and select this particular movie or a CV. Now if you want to download it, you just want to scroll down and look for this downloaded at downward arrow icon or facing downward arrow icon. Click that out, and that's how you will be able to download the content. Now in some cases you might not be able to find the download option, which means that that particular content is not available for download section, and that's how you will be able to save content from Amazon Prime Video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.